rifles for Jan because they're her size. And she actually had to run a couple of drunk guys off of her one.
Really? Were they trying to steal stuff?
No, they were having a fight with Katie in our driveway. They were swinging on each other.
I remember she shot one of those fence posts when one of her ex-boyfriends showed up. Forget which one it was, though.
It was,
now what's this? What's this?
I don't know.
So that's now loaded and pumped?
No, it's not loaded.
Okay. I was gonna say.
So why do we have this shotgun out, Dad?
Can't remember. This varmint control.
After all that excitement, I'm gonna make it to.
Well, good job in getting him fenced in somewhere.
Yeah, he was fine with it until he realized he was stuck and we were walking away. Then he was like, "Hey, hey!"
That's when he started swearing at us.
Yeah, imagine. You just really need some stern training, I think.
So are those birdshot?
It says on the label what they are. I don't have my glasses.
3/4 of an ounce, Super X. Winchester. Huh. Hard to know. All I know is with a bullet like that, I certainly would not want to be shot.
Well, as long as you're not, like, having the muzzle an inch away, it just stings like hell. And you gotta pick the little BBs out of your butt.
Ow. Yeah, I guess if somebody's pointing a shotgun at you, you're not thinking about what kind of shot is in it.
Well, and there's 5 different loads, including a...
Oh, she's here.
She's back.
Thank God. She can deal with the demon dog.